So there you guys have it. This is not the end result, but this is the result after soaking it in petrol for 1 day and cleaning the grease off of it. And also this is the result of after soaking it in water and baking soda and brushing the dirt and the rust off of it. I'm gonna go to the shop tonight to get some new screws because those screws are dead and not good, basically not good. And yes, this is I had to brush this a lot and clean it a lot. There's still some few marks of black stuff, but overall, yes, I need to get it anodized to this color, basically like blue or purple or red. Give it that shine again. As you can see here, there's got some little of shine, but still the edges are really rough. That's the best I could do, but I can do better than that. So let's go on to this compartment. This is for size 28 PH15 carburetor, which basically fits for D15 B2, D15 B3, D15 B7, and D13. Basically D series single cam carburetor. So it's got that nice it's clean, all right, but there's a lot of stuff still stuck on it, so I need to get that high resolution of aluminum, because I'm not satisfied with it. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna probably try something else and do some research, but tonight I'm gonna go and get some new screws, and try to attempt to anodize this with a color. Probably I'll try to anodize this one and see how that works out. Yeah. Until then, do like, thumbs up, and thanks for watching.